So this is the program for find the biggest value in given number. This is the first method. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And in second method, we use nested if. Num1 is greater than num2. Okay. Then if num1 is greater than num3. Then else third value will be first. Num3. Okay. If num2 is greater than num3, then num2
Second value is big. Second value is big.
yes, yes. Else
Third value is big.
yes. Okay. 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 Any doubt?
No,
This is
sir.
second method.
Okay,
And
okay.
this is also example of nested if.
Sir, what are
Because
the
here,
difference? Sir,
here
uh,
I use another if within the if.
oh, okay, okay.
Okay. This is example of nested if.
Oh, nested if. Okay.
Yes, yes. It is also, you can see here. It is if is another if used in else part. So this
Yeah,
is example.
earlier program you didn't use after else if you are not using, no. No, that
Yeah.
is why it is nested if, huh? Okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
okay, okay.
Okay. So
Okay,
these
sir.
are the example of nested
Nested,
if.
nested if.
And the next, I create a third method. Here I declare another variable and declare num1 is a big. Okay, max is equal to num1. I think number one is big. Okay,
Okay.
after that I check with num2. If num2 is greater than max, then max is equal to num2. Okay, and if num3 is greater than max, then max is equal to num3. Fact method. Here I declare num1 as a big value. Then I check the max value is bigger than num2 or not. If num2 is bigger, then max is equal to num2. If num3 is bigger greater than max, then num3 the max is equal to num3. So at
Okay.
the end of program, I will get
Biggest
biggest
value.
value. Okay,
Ah.
it is a very simple.
Mm.
And if you want to find the biggest value in thousand and lakhs, you can easily use
Oh,
it.
okay. Mm.
You can see it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. Sir, this end of the thing, you will give me this program, no? I will copy it later.
Yes, 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 yes. It's okay. No problem.
Right.
I create another example.
Mm.
I create a class. Sum of two main method and finish. Okay.
Mm.
Write a program. To check given here is leap or not.
Ah.
Okay. I want to check the given here is leap or not. So this is a format of check, checking of year that is leap or not. So year mod 400 is equal to 0.
Mm.
It will be leap year. Or if
So this symbol is meant for or.
yes,
Okay.
year mod 100
Mm.
equal to 0, and year mod 4 is equal to 0. So it is a not equal to 0.
Sir, can you give me explanation for this? Why we are modulating for our 400, 100, 4?
Yes, yes, yes. Not equal to 0 and year mod 4. If it's true, then else okay. Actually, I know uh, our Earth taking the time for whole year is 365 days,
Yes, sir.
but it actually takes 345 days and 6 or plus some minutes.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
I I don't know exact minutes. Okay, so after 4 years, it
Mm.
complete a 1 year, 1 day, because it's, we have 3 year is 65 and 1 year is 366.
Okay.
3 years in fourth year, it suppose this is a 1 year.
This is for 1 year.
In second year,
Okay.
in third year.
Third year.
Okay,
Okay.
so there are 18 hours are extra. So
Okay.
next line is days 66 in leap year. 366.
66 years. Days.
Okay,
Okay.
and but some minutes are also remaining.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so after 400 years,
Ah.
it comes like a 1 day, equal to 1 day. Okay, yes,
Okay.
666 and in last this 6 so this 666 is a 24 means
Yeah.
1 day add in a year,
Okay.
and after in minutes also
Mm.
remaining,
Yeah.
because we
Minutes
are
also.
using only hours, not using minutes, but the
Ah.
remaining minutes uh, after 400 years,
Mm.
it
400 days.
equal to 400 years.
Years,
After 400 years,
Okay.
the remaining minutes
Ah.
make a equivalent to a 1 day.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay, so
Ah.
the uh, checking of leap year is that year mod 400. If year
Oh,
is divided by 400, so it
okay.
will a leap year. And year 100 divided by 0,
Hmm.
divided remainder is 0, then it is not a leap year.
Okay.
Like 1900. 1900 is not a leap year.
Uh-huh.
So after dividing 100, the
Hmm.
remaining the remainder will not be 0.
Oh.
And after dividing by 4,
Ah.
it equal to 0.
Hmm.
So if
Hmm.
this condition is true, if this condition is true, then your year is leap year. Or
Okay.
so both condition, these both conditions are true,
Hmm.
then year is leap year.
Oh.
100 not divided by 0, not divided, and 4 must be divided.
Okay.
So you can see example. I want to execute it. Like 20, okay,
Okay.
the leap year,
Oh.
okay, but 1900 is not a leap year
Hmm.
because 1900 divided by 4, but it also divided by 100,
Oh.
but it should not divided by 100.
Oh, it should not be divided by 100. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That
So
means
1900 is not a leap year.
no, 1900 is without any reminder, it divides by 100. That's why we are not accepting it.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Year should not divided by 100
Uh-huh.
and must be divided by 4.
Must be divided by 4. Okay. Yeah, that's true. Must be divided by 4, but must not be divided by 100.
Yes.
And that is a
And
condition.
yes, if year is divided by 400, so it automatically a leap year.
Mm. Okay.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 2020 is how it is divided by 400.
It is
2000.
not divided by, it is not, but is divided by 4
No,
and not divided by 100.
no, it is. Is it divided by 400?
Yes. It is not divided by 400, but
Hmm.
it divided by 4 and not divided by 100.
Oh, that two conditions satisfied. That's why it is giving leap year, huh?
Yes, 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 yes. If
Oh.
these both condition
Uh,
is true, then
uh,
condition is true, then that year will be leap. Or
okay, okay.
if it divided by 400, so it also a leap year.
It is also leap year. Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here I create another example of if. Okay. Any doubt?
No, no, this I am clear, sir. Now.
Okay, okay. And then I create another example of if. Demo 3. So write a program the area of okay. So I want to find the area of triangle.
Mm.
Here I will put first side of triangle and here I am using double like X. Okay. Double. Okay. X plus Y is greater than Z and Y plus Z is greater than X and and Z plus A is greater than Y
Why?
plus X. Sorry. Okay.
Mm.
First of all, I want to check triangle is possible or not.
Okay.
Do the calculation of area of triangle.
Mm.
If this condition is true, then area will be fine. Otherwise, display triangle is not possible. Else, sorry, x plus y plus z. This is the formula
Oh.
of area of triangle,
Okay.
and after that, double at dot QRT and bracket S into in bracket S minus X into S minus B into S minus sorry Z S minus Y. Okay. This is the formula
Oh,
of mathematics.
yeah, that's
Find
true.
out the area of triangle.
This is area of triangle.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Sir, here S stands for what? Yes, yes,
This is the
yes.
formula f is equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. This is the
Uh,
formula of to find the area of triangle.
that is right, but X is a side, Y is another side, Z is another side.
Yes.
But S stands for length. What is it? Yes, X.
X is a first side, y is second side, and z is a third side of a triangle.
Okay, only from side we are deducting it.
Yes. Condition not if condition is failed, then print triangle is not possible.
Oh,
First of all, we check triangle is possible or not. If this triangle is possible, if condition is true, then triangle is possible. Then we find the area of triangle. Understood?
yeah.
This is the only formula of mathematics.
Okay. I got it. I got it.
Okay. So here I give the values of 2, 4. I give the result. Okay. If here I give the value 2, first value is 2, second is 3, and third is 9. Okay.
Okay.
So it will print triangle is not possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Means the condition must be true. If condition is true, then it finds the area of triangle. Otherwise, it displays triangle is not possible.
Through only by permutation combination, we have to try whether it is triangle or not.
Yes, yes,
One value one. If we give another value, set of values, probably it will accept.
yes, yes. Okay, sir.
Okay.
So I think you try it,
Okay, sir.
and last session's example must be tried, and in next session we try to switch statement.
Which one? Switch statement. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt in these questions, in examples?
No, this and all I have understood. But only thing is, I am going to copy these things now.
Yes,
I
yes,
will,
yeah, I send you.
yeah. Um,
I send you. No
I'll attend.
problem.
Okay, sir. I'll attend the earlier questions also.
And this is Core Pro 2. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, most welcome, sir. Most welcome.
That Core Pro 1 zip also will be there.
No,
It won't be
I
there.
sent you last. I have sent you in last session.
Yeah, yeah, but that is available in the this my system, or you have emailed? No.
No, no, you can download it here from here
Okay, okay. 1 second. No, no.
and use it.
Okay.
This is available in your Skype.
Oh, it is available in my Skype. Okay.
Okay. So you
It is.
download it.
Now I'm able to see it, but download is not. While clicking, it is not working.
You download it. It display in your download folder.
Download folder. Oh, it is not there.
First, you click on your here download button. Here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But it is not downloading. Now, have you released your thing, and so that I'll be able to download?
You only click on it. Okay. If you click on it, it automatically downloading
Okay, okay.
and display in your download folder.
Okay, download folder where it is available in the
Uh,
system, or in the Skype itself.
no, 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 no. In system.
System. Okay, system download. I know that.
Yes,
I will
yes, yes.
check that.
Yes, here you can go here and click.
1 second only. Download. Core Pro 1 is there. Correct, correct. Yes,
Yes, yes, yes,
it
yes,
has
yes.
been downloaded. And Core Pro 2 is also there.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, most welcome, sir. And congrats, sir.
Huh?
Congrats,
Sir,
sir.
yeah, yeah. This today's download. Now it is visible. Correct, correct. Okay. Now it download.